people, I hope you're keeping well. Today I have here with me 2 beef chicks. The pack comes with 2 beef chicks. I'm going to prepare this 2 ways. I'm going to have 1 chick in the slow cooker and 1 chick in the air fryer to see the difference in taste and presentation. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to prepare both chicks the exact way. The only difference will be the cooking method. So what I mean is I'm going to chop them as equally as possible into strips, thick strips. It doesn't feel tender at all. Sharper?
Is it?
Yeah.
Looks tougher.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I mistakenly expected beef chicks to be tender. It doesn't feel tender at all to the cut. Actually, the butcher recommended slow cooking because he reckoned it would be tough. So I should have trusted him. That's good fat content anyway. So in here are the both chicks. So I'm going to half it, half for the slow cooker and half for the air fryer. Half and half. I'll set it on high at first and then I reduce it in a few minutes. Nothing added, just meat into the pot. It's 3 hours later. Ooh. I finally got myself Maldon salt. Been meaning to get some And yeah, finally we have it. So that's what I'll use. It's flakes of salt. That might be too much. Looks really good. So I'll give it just another half an hour and that's it. You might ask, why the Maldon salt? Well, the Maldon salt is believed to have the most of the mineral salts that's required for the body. It has a well balance of the various mineral salts in the one salt. I'm going to put on the air fryer batch. I'll try to do the air frying for an hour. So I'll first set it at half an hour, check on it, turn it, and give it another half an hour after. So half an hour for now. And at the maximum of the temperature, which is 250 degrees centigrade, to be able to get it as crisp as possible. Then I turn it on. There we go. Air fryer and slow cooker side by side. That's the end of half an hour. I actually don't think it needs any more time. I think the half hour is enough by itself. Looks well cooked. Yeah, this looks ready. I don't think I need any more time on it. So half an hour was enough. I should have checked it at maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes time. Well done though. And now the slow cooker one. There's a bit of broth produced there. Looks really good. Now let's go for the verdict. That's tender now. That's the air fryer one. Crusty on the outside and tender inside. Now we go for the slow cooked. Oh, looks really tender. Now let me try this one. Oh, that's really tender. Look at that. Really tender. Much more tender than the air fryer, of course. Definitely better results with the slow cooker. Now we know. Thank you so much for watching.